Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I have one more video for you guys. Check it out. Slatkin and Company sent me a PR haul. I'm excited about this. So I'm going to dig in. I am a Slatkin and Company ambassador, which means if you use the code Bonnie10 at the Slatkin site, you do get 15% off. So I'm going to set these over here to get more organized. I did open one before I realized what it was. Check this out. I love these hobnail jars. This is the Harvest Donut Candle. It is fresh pumpkin, donut accord, ginger, and clove. Oh my gosh. This one smells so delicious. I am a huge fan of this scent. It is. It's a spicy harvest fall donut, but there's a kick. There's a ginger kick, and the clove really brings it up. So loving that one. By the way, I'm going to do a deep dive with Lenny on these when he gets here, of course. Let me open this one up. I think this is like a combination of some body care too. All right, check it out. What is this? First one. Check it out. This one is. Rid of that. We got a lot of boxes flying tonight. Okay, we'll get rid of that. Oh. Harry would be so upset if I broke his cancel. I just threw the lid. Boy, it's getting really rambunctious here. Oh my gosh, I can smell this one already. This is pumpkin gingerbread. Oh my goodness, this looks good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So pumpkin puree, harvest spice, ginger zest, and vanilla caramel. This has got a kick. It's like pumpkin with a gingerbread kick. My mother just made pumpkin bread the other day. Oh my gosh, it was so good. I need more pumpkin bread. That's a good one. Okay, next up, we have, digging in here. This is, get rid of that. Okay, try not to throw the candle, Bonnie. This is the Dark Harvest. Look at this one. Oh, this is pretty. Midnight Blackberry, Glowing Amber, Crushed Cardamom, and Musk. Oh my goodness, this is good. This is a Dark Harvest. Oh my gosh. Like a Halloween candle. It's kind of a fall vibe. I gotta say, this smells really good. The cardamom is strong, like it's crushed. Glowing amber just comes out. It smells a little bit like a witchy vibe. I don't know if it's the midnight blackberry or the musk. It's got like a slight cologne scent, but like in a good way. Like it blends well with the harvest. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. And this must be a reed diffuser. So let me open this one up. And then I have two more boxes. Okay. This is that. Ooh. Pretty. This one is, this is the deep dish apple pie. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm actually going to save this set. I'm going to save this for when Lenny's here. Gooey apple nectar, vanilla cinnamon, and pie crust. You know how Lenny loves pie. I'm going to save that one. I need that in the candle, though. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think I know what this is. This, I think, is the car fragrance. I think. It feels really light. So I'm guessing, no? Oh, it's a candle. Look in there. My husband's gonna love me. My husband's always like, Bonnie, I have too many boxes to break down. I always give him my boxes. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh. Caramel apple in the exfoliating body scrub. This is exciting. I'll open this with Lenny too. Oh my gosh, this is seriously like, I love the caramel apple so much. Red apple, caramel drizzle, vanilla bean, cinnamon. This is like one of my favorite candles. I'm definitely going to be using that one. That's exciting. Okay, this must be the car fragrance. This one's actually a lot lighter. Okay, so let me do this. Yep. Okay. Oh my gosh, I made a mess. I made a giant mess. Yes, car fragrance. Look at these. I gotta say, I've used these. I usually don't love cardboard ones, but I like the ones that Slatkin does because these are just so natural. So I got Harvest Leaves. I'm gonna open one of these up. This is going right in my car. My car's been smelling like barn lately. It's delicious. It's a little bit of harvest, it's a little bit of leaf, and it smells very good. You can actually put these in your closet. These are really good in like a coat closet. So, you know, you get those kind of like stuffy smells in there. They are excellent. So, oh my gosh, I'm excited. I get a really good haul from Slatkin and Company. Thank you so much for this. And I'll be sharing these. Let me check out the Slatkin site just to see what's going on over there. Oh, all 3-wick candles are $17.50 right now. Oh my goodness, that's actually a really good deal. So we have the Harvest Donut Hobnail, which I showed you, $17.50. Also, they're doing, oh my gosh, they're doing a flash sale. They're up there. I can't even reach them. The glass, that's a really good deal. The glass Halloween, the faceted, the possessed plum, the wicked cherry, the spooky vanilla, the black pumpkin woods. All the hobnails are on sale for $17.50 plus fantastic fudge. Autumn pumpkin patch, Palo Santo pumpkin. I know Lenny loved that one. There's a lot for $17.50. I gotta say, yeah, that's a good deal. So anyway, super exciting sale going on over at Slatkin and Company. And then the fall favorites are the pumpkin gingerbread, which I just showed you. That one is this is good. Oh my. Harvest hot chocolate. They've got hot cider down it. I have that in the giant one. Red velvet, espresso martini, oatmeal cookie, cinnamon apple honey, mashed potatoes and gravy. I think I'm getting that. Autumn pumpkin, pumpkin spice, praline pecan, pumpkin cold brew. So 7-layer cake. That was from Easter. That's a good one. Sweet potato pie. Anyway, lots of good stuff. Check out those $17.50 candles because that's actually an incredible deal. So anyway, oh, that was fun. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a beautiful evening. It's getting dark. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.